I'm a CFA charter holder and a CPA, and these are difficult credentials to earn because of the extensive knowledge that's required. But they also stand for something. They stand for competence and integrity in the areas of financial planning and investment management.
I've been in the investment services industry for a long time, and I guess you could say I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And it's interesting because the good usually wins once an investor becomes familiar with what we call the immutable truths of investing. And they are, one, that nobody can deliver on a promise their portfolio recommendations will beat the markets going forward. Two, that passive investment management beats active investment management, especially after fees. Three, that fees and expenses matter hugely in future performance. Four, that it's extraordinarily difficult to be unemotional about your own money. And five, that Wall Street is set up to make money for Wall Street, not for you and me. Typically, once investors become grounded in these core concepts, they usually become better investors, meaning they're not as susceptible to being taken advantage of by unscrupulous players, nor do they make big mistakes like selling at market bottoms or chasing returns at market tops, or not being diversified.
My role is to help families to become financially independent and then to manage their wealth according to their goals and their ultimate intentions. I find my work to be meaningful because the difference that I can make in a client's life is so significant.
One of the things to me that is so meaningful about what we do is that we can truly make a positive impact in a client's life, such that they or their family or their household is far better equipped to reach and to sustain financial independence. And that is our definition of wealth. If you are financially independent, then as far as I'm concerned, you're wealthy.
In many ways, I have my grandfather to thank for where I am today. He taught me about investing at a young age. And because of him, I not only learned about investing, but I discovered a passion for education and a sense of responsibility for helping others.
When working with a financial services industry professional, you basically have two choices. You can work with the traditional broker who earns a commission or some type of production-based bonus based on the products they sell you, or you can work with a fee-only advisor whose advice is void of conflicts of interest. Those of us who are fee-only and who operate full-time under the fiduciary standard instead of under the less stringent suitability standard like a broker have no incentive to generate transactions in your account.